Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with something a little bit different, okay? I am coming through with a My First Wig. So we are back with My First Wig. These are quality wigs for beginners. I love this company. I think that they are so super easy to deal with and so super easy to use, and their hair quality is amazeballs. So we are coming through with a headband wig, okay? And I'm actually excited. I love these little bags, these little wig bags. They are so cute. I'm gonna take this young lady out. She is so beautiful. This is the 18-inch Yaki headband wig. So the great thing about these wigs is that they are full caps, okay? So there's 3 combs in the front, 1, 2, 3. 1 comb in the back, okay? You have adjustable straps, Wakanda forever, as well as, oh, excuse me guys, this Velcro strap. And this is how you tie your hair down. And we are literally on our way to the pool, okay? I'm sitting up here in my bathing suit, all right? I'm ready to go. And that's all we're doing. I came to throw this mother on and keep it moving. So let's just get into this texture of this hair. This is a Yaki texture, nice and thick. I love that, okay? And we're just gonna throw her on and see what she's working with. I already laid down my edges. The great thing about My First Wig is that they always provide you with all the things that you'll need to lay your wig, okay? So this little pencil case is my favorite thing because it always comes with goodies. We have our hair clip, our rat tail comb, okay? With the wax stick for the frizzy ends. Bobby pins, we always need those. Wig cap. And our edge brush, which I literally am like collecting edge brushes. So let's get right on into her and let's see how long this will take us. Hey guys, so we are here with the Headband wig Abe, okay? This is a Yaki straight layered wig and the hair length is 18 inches. The texture is Yaki and we have her in a cap size number 2. This unit is such a grab and go and it is so easy to put on. Now, when you go on the site, you can actually choose the different types of headbands that you would like to come with your headband wig. And you can also always just grab one or scarf or a headband that you have in the closet and throw her right on. Now, this unit is a must, an absolute must have. And she is currently going for $129.50 in 18 inches. And we are all done. Like, that's it, okay? This is my bun. I'm gonna turn around for you guys. Okay, so you can see this in the back. Now you can obviously wear her with your black headband. I'm gonna take her down for you guys. And then I'll throw her back up. Okay, so this is her down. Look at that. This is her down. Super beautiful. I like this hair because it feels super natural. Okay, so this is her with our black headband. And I'm just gonna go through with my Kyra Oriana. She actually launched a website and I'm just gonna use my cute little scarf that I got from her to complete my look. Alright, so this is an absolute vibe and she's super easy to like throw on and go. I'm just gonna wear her. I love the versatility of this. Like, love, she's so sexy and thick. I know I told you guys how expensive this unit was. She is going for just under $130 for 18 inches. But let me tell you how this is worth it. This unit is going to last you so long, and she is the ultimate grocery shopping unit. She is the ultimate, let me hit the mall and get that last minute outfit before I got to hit this flight unit, okay? My first wig came all the way through with this. I am obsessed with the headband concept and just the ease of this unit. We were tired of lace and they gave us an actual option, okay? So come through for the security and the grab and go-ness of it all, honey. I'm just going to go on ahead and drop them links right in the description box below. Make sure you guys check out My First Wig and do not be worried, okay? They are always running a sale so you can get you some coins off. Okay. So we done came threw her up on our head, and then it's time to go hit the pool. My man is in the other room. It is time to go. I just wanted to make sure I come through and show off this headband wig, okay? We are looking for easy breezy styles, and this is one of them. So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to our channel, and get on into this. Come on through, My First Wig. And I'll see you guys later.